It's been 6 years, but I'm finally getting around to using the leftover material from this job. Thanks for joining. I'm going to be building a walnut vanity for my master bathroom in this video. And already I'm starting to see one of the issues why I gave up professional woodworking. I just couldn't find any good, decent, reasonably priced shop space, and I ended up working out of my mom's garage. And it just was awesome and also hell at the same time. First sheet I'll be breaking down is going to be ripped into 2 pieces and then cross-cut into 6 to make 6 gables for my carcass. When using walnut, or any dark wood for that matter, I always use a white pencil crayon or China marker to mark out my pieces. I bring all my gables to final dimension on the table saw individually. Jessom discontinued this sliding table attachment, but I wish they didn't because it's so much better than a sled. The only finicky thing about it is every time you install it, you have to make sure that it is perpendicular to the saw blade. I use the sliding table to bring my gables to their final height. When making cabinets, I always use a 1/2-inch back sheet stock, and I always rabbet the gables, tops, and bottoms so they accept the back. As long as your cuts are accurate, when you rabbet the back into the back of the cabinet, it self-squares the cabinet for you. Once I'm happy with the dimension of the rabbet, then I run all of them. In this case, it's 1/2-inch by 1/2-inch. For these cabinets, I'm going to use a combination of solid wood and edge banding because I have both of them. I'll use the solid wood for any exposed faces or doors or drawers, and then I'll use the edge banding for the interior cabinets. Next up, everyone's favorite, sanding, round over edge detail, and then vacuuming all the dust up. The finish I'm applying is a water-based clear coat by Vanity, and it's my go-to for finishing wood veneered cabinets. And if you're wondering, that's way too much to apply in one go. The thinner the better in this case, and that's why I always have some spare pieces on the side to dump some extra. I apply 2 to 3 coats, and I sand in between each coat. As always, I nail off my cabinets for alignment, and then go back and fasten them with screws after. And this is the best part about rabbeting all the gables, tops, and bottoms to receive the back, because when you slap it in, it squares up the cabinet for you. And that's how I build cabinet carcasses. If you got any questions, you can hit me up in the comments. Thanks for watching part 1.